Hello and welcome back. I'm always going to be here with you to share some of my findings with you. This week I found something very interesting. Something that I didn't know that was so important. And this has to do with the humidity of our environment, of the atmosphere that we are in at any point in time. Did you know that when the humidity is very low or it's too high, it affects the function of your body? I never knew. So today, and we're going to address how to solve this problem, because we are always surrounded by air, so that's what we're going to talk about. So please stay glued to your seat, and if you like my content, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and please, if you have any comments, please leave it in the comment section. I will surely respond to that. I really like things like that. Thank you so much and welcome back. Anyway, lest I forget, this is Stella, the casual mom, so that when you see me now, you can just say, "Hello, Stella," or the casual mom, and I'll say hi. Okay. Today, what you can see in my hand is a compact dehumidifier. Okay, that's what we're going to talk about today. And before I tell you why this, I want to explain why a dehumidifier is important. You could consider it in your life, okay? So we'll go ahead and talk about what is humidity. Humidity is the amount of vapor in the air, and when it is too low or too high, it affects the function of your body. And so I'm going to talk about some of these dangers or some of the things that affect your body. One of them being dehydration, where your body loses so much water. And these things, when you are dehydrated, you can feel dizzy, you can feel calm, just to mention a few. Another one is having itchy throat. You feel like you are always trying to clear your throat. Okay, these are some of the things that the humidity of our atmosphere can cause your body to feel. The humidity of your room can even make you show allergic-like symptoms, even though you are not allergic. You are not allergic. You are not having allergy. That's the word. You're not having allergy. You can be sneezing. You can be just having that. Keep trying to clear your nose. Your skin can even be so dry that you can have some swells on your skin, like eczema, which Ghanaians will say ekro. Okay, eczema. I quite remember when we were young, when I find something like that, they will let you get something to scratch the surface of your skin and put medication on it. This were all unnecessary. It's just the humidity of my environment that was causing that. So please, if you are experiencing that, it's not because you didn't take your bath 5 times in a day or whatever. It's the humidity of your room. Okay? And the same thing can also, when the humidity, or you're having humidity issues in your home and somebody is asthmatic, it can also affect them. Okay? So I got this, I saw this at Costco, a compact dehumidifier, and this is what it says that it does. So today we're going to unbox it. This can help remove moisture that can lead to allergens, helps remove moisture that can lead to mold and mildew damage, child and pet safe, low energy consumption, so no worry about your electricity consumption. This one is low. And the key benefits: environmentally friendly, help prevent mold and mildew, like we already said, help with dust mites, These mites cannot be seen. They are so little, it needs microscope, but it affects the skin. Okay, allergies, asthma relief. Like I said, it says the water tank capacity is 30 ounces. Easy to use, single push button for use in small size such as bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and closets and more. Wherever you experience such discomfort, okay, you realize that the humidity in that room is affecting you. Sometimes you stand in a room or a particular place and you feel dizzy. All those things are signs of having the humidity being too high or too low. Okay. So today we're going to unbox this and see how it looks inside. So all that we talked about, this can help you. This is not eliminating drinking water. Okay, drinking water is very important. You need water when you're having something like dehydration. You need water. So this is not eliminating that very important element in our life. So this is how it looks. Okay, now out of the box, this is the power button, and then this is where we are going to plug our power, and this is what would extract the vapor from the atmosphere into the tank, and this is how to take out the tank that has absorbed the whole of the vapor from the atmosphere, so you can empty it out. Okay, so you give it a firm pull and then empty it, and then set it back. And let's take out the charger. Okay, so this is what we're gonna connect to our power outlet, and then put it in here. So this is how it goes. Very handy, very small. So I am going to spend some time with this product. I'm going to spend some time with it and see if it's going to say what it says, because I got it for air purpose. So we're going to use it for some time, and in future I'll be coming your way again and give you the results of what I got out, whether it did what it says it will do. Okay? So that's how simple it is. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Please, if you like what I explained and you like the content, please don't forget to like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you have a comment, please leave it down below, and don't forget to share. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Love you.